Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And for today's video guys, we are going to
IKEA.
we're going to IKEA guys because Alice want to buy one particular toy that she only find it in
IKEA.
IKEA. So we're going to IKEA guys. It's raining before we arrive to IKEA, Alice.
Yeah.
It's heavy raining guys. We are halfway to IKEA. Are you sad it's raining?
No.
No?
Stay here on the right, yeah? Here, this one.
Long Sotera.
Okay, now it's straight. Did you see already IKEA? It's Decathlon also, yeah? Yeah. Decathlon, Alice.
40 minutes, right?
About 40.
About 40 minutes we arrived.
On the right, yeah. Right.
IKEA's not really tall. It's not really.
Yeah, now you have to find the entrance by I don't know. I think.
Excited?
Yeah.
Are you happy we are here?
Yeah.
It's just alright guys. So much car inside the parking lot.
You have to go through the process.
Hi Alice! We are here in IKEA. This is our second time actually to come here to IKEA. No, second time. Second time. Alice is looking for the stuffed toys that she like. Like this one for our house. It's nice.
Oh, you can get the blue.
You have a lot. You already have a lot. You have pillow everywhere.
What do you think, Alice?
Nice.
You happy?
Yeah.
This is nice settings.
Yeah.
And the plates.
We're already looking for more. We're gonna see in one moment.
Nice. This one. Put in her room. Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Show me your husky. Oh my god, we only come to IKEA to find these husky stuffed toys, guys. These husky stuffed toys. Show me the full husky. Cannot see on the video. Move a little bit more. It's nice. Very nice. Wow. It's nice settings. So.
This is useful for you, maybe for home.
Which one? I like this. Put on the. I have already my option. I don't really like.
On this side.
Yeah, I can. Yeah. Come here, come here.
Shorts now.
It's a dolphin. Oh wow! Is it softy? You see material? Yeah, to your husky.
No.
No? What about the other thing on the back? What is that? So cool. Alice, maybe they have another one here. Do you like this turtle also? Wow. Oh my god. So many stuffed toys here. It's cute, the turtle. You want to get one turtle? Look, you have a big lion here. Alice is the Lion King, Alice. It's cute, right? Do you want a lion instead?
No, I like the husky more.
It's pink color.
I like this.
Huh? Wait, this one? Look, this piggy. Oink, 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 oink. It's so cute. Very cute, Alice. Look, Alice. Oh, I like this color.
Yeah?
What do you think? You will like this kind of bed? Do you in room? This is nice room. Very girly. Actually, this is ideal for girl room in IKEA. Oy. Alice, look at this red heart, Alice. Oh, it's nice. It's nice to hug you. What is that? What is that? Oh my god, look at this IKEA, guys. How many things they have. Look, that walls decor, Alice. Oh, they have butterfly, heart, cloud, butterfly again. And this is very nice. Look at this.
Oh my god, this is a snail. This is snail.
This is snail. Alice, you like one?
No.
I like to have one snail. Very nice. Oh, so cute. So cute. Alice, look. Ah, you have a lot of husky here. Alice, look here. Look how many husky they have. What they have here? Maybe this one is better. This one is better for in my point of view. Maybe a lot of people touch that one. This one is better. Oh, husky! You can choose one. Give me this pizza. Choose one that is more comfy. Choose one. And look, they have Labrador also. No, I like the maybe I will get one Labrador. Yeah, the adult ones. We have one Labrador and one Husky. Whoop, whoop. One pizza each. Wow. Look at this. Do you think are you happy to see those huskies? Do you like shark?
No.
This one is big one. Oh, the panda here. What is inside? Oh, you can open also. Oh, you can open the mouth. Wow, look, there's a lot of panda. Pandas and then sharky. Oh, look, Alice. Koalas. Oh, wow, we should get one of this.
Is the baby
And mom.
and the mommy?
Yeah.
The only needs mother and you know.
What is that? Oh, it's a scary one. Look, this panda is really cute.
That's a panda.
What kind of shark is this?
Orca.
Oh, this is orca. They have a lot of orca also.
Killer whale.
Oh, this is so cute.
Orangutan.
Oh, this is so cute and sweet. Alice, wait for mommy. Wow, look at the IKEA, guys. So many things. They have a lot of trolleys here. Oh my God, so many things. Okay, let's go down. It's all furniture in IKEA. Finally, we are paying now. Alice, do you know which kind of ice cream you like? Wow, what we have here? We have here ice cream donut from IKEA. Alice, show me yours. Alice have. Alice, how's yours?
Yeah. Not me now.
This one, Alice? What about juice, amore? You want to try this?
Okay.
Alice, thank you.
Okay, put it down here. Okay.
For you. I want french fries. See? I can eat the chicken. I don't like chicken.
Do you eat the donut or not? Do you eat the donut and the fries? Okay.
How is
Not
it,
bad.
Daddy? Huh? How's yours, Alice? How's the fries? You want we can have Fanta later. Yeah. Swedish. Eat that one in your fork.
Very creamy inside.
How is it?
The cream. Ooh.
It's not so bad. It's fresh. Right?
No. I'm full.
You have to put back all your plates here. So did you have fun, Alice? I don't think Italian people
Yeah,
did.
many people buy IKEA, yes.
Oh, really? Because I know Italian, they have a lot of nice furniture.
People buy IKEA. Right?
No. Had fun in IKEA. She found her toy. She's so happy. Going back home now, guys.
And play.
And play.